Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see how we can compose AI music. What is AI music? AI music is one which is generated by artificial intelligence and you can generate royalty free music in single clicks. Beethoven AI uses the advanced AI music generation techniques to generate the unique mood based music to suit every part of your video. And you can generate the royalty free background music at the click of a button for your videos, streams, podcast, and much more. So, the sound helps you generate unique royalty free tracks at the click of a button. And you can compose the unique music for your content in a few easy steps. First, you can pick a genre or style. You can make some cuts. You can change the mood and compose. So the first you can pick a style. Upload a video or podcast or start with a track. Choose from 8 different genres to suit your theme. Second, you can make some cuts. You can edit if the mood of the content changes over time. That's why you can make multiple cuts and add different moods. You can choose from a rich selection of 16 moods to choose the correct mood for the cuts. And finally, you can hit the compose and let your AI do all the hard work of composing a unique track for you. Come on, let's explore how it is done. So Beethoven.ai is the one which allows you to create or compose the artificial intelligence musics. And now I've entered into Beethoven.ai. It creates customizable royalty free music that elevates your story. You can click on start creating for free and you can enter into a new track. And you have to enter the track title. It is Wiry Ring. Already it is the Wiry Ring. And duration it is 1 minute. And you can select a tempo which can be slow, medium or high. I am selecting the medium tempo and I'm giving the next. Here you have to click a genre or regional sound for the track. It can be Indian, pop, ambient. So you can click on that particular and you can look into the style. This is ambient. This is Indian. This is cinematic, hip hop. This is electronic. So I'm selecting pop, or you can click on ambient. So after selecting pop, I'm clicking on apply. So next you have to select the emotion which you want to assign to the track, which can be sad, calm, motivational, happy, cheerful. There are 16 different moods which are available. So you can find the difference. This is a cheerful mood. This is angry, relaxing. Inspirational. Dreamy, joyful. I'm clicking on joyful. Now I'm selecting apply. Now the track has been created. Now the AI is going to compose the track. It is composing. It is fetching the generated track. Finished composing. Press play to hear the track. Now you can either download or play. First you can look into the play. It is a 1 minute music. So just we have selected in the clicks. The music has been generated by the AI. Here you have an option to add video or podcast. You can either add the video if you wish. The video can be added and this music will be attached. A 1 minute video can be added. Even the YouTubers and other mode of social media networkers can use this Beethoven AI and they can generate the royalty free music and they can upload on the social networks. And for 1 minute shorts can be also be easily added and created. And once it is done, you can download the track. So you can download as an mp3 or .wav file. The video also can be attached and the music will be added. So this is a wonderful tool for this AI music, which is Beethoven.ai. So there are various options which has been developed. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other further updates. Thanks for watching.